ready.
Me too. Come on, let's go.
Boom!
Oh no, the tire's flat.
Oh no, Zoe, look out! Oh no, Zoe!
OMG, Zoe, are you okay? Yeah, just don't tell my dad about this.
Only a few minor cuts and bruises and a dislocated arm and leg.
Ow.
You are not free to go home.
Thank you. That was weird and creepy.
IKR.
What?
I know, right?
Oh.
I think we should go to bed or else my dad will know we left the house.
AR.
What?
All right.